Hey guys, welcome back to my cute world where every imagination has no rules and every line finds its own story. Today we are doing something totally fun, a pizza drawing. No plans, no pressure, just pure creativity. I was sitting with my pen and suddenly a thought popped up. What if I just let my hand flow and see where it takes me? And guess what? The lines started dancing, turning into cute shapes and happy little patterns. That's the magic of random drawing. It's not random, but it's quite random because it's a pizza drawing. You never know what's coming next, but it always brings a smile. So grab your pen and open your heart and let's go on a fun doodle adventure with me with pizza as well. And there we go, my amazing cuties. Our pizza drink turned into a masterpiece full of surprises and smiles. Masterpiece. This is, if you think this is a cool, then you can say, see, you don't always need a plan. Sometimes the best art happens when you just go with the flow. Every random line has its own secret story, just like our imagination. If you like this video, if you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye bye and eat healthy. Okay.